Hey there hackers, welcome to Crafty Hackers, where we bring you the best recipes, DIY crafts, pranks, and life hacks. Today we're talking about cool new ways to recycle and repurpose kids' toys. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to our channel by clicking the button in the upper right corner and give this video a thumbs up. Now back to the crafts. 1, 2, 3, go! Car tray. What's better than a dinner tray? A tray that zooms. Recycle 4 small model cars and a dinner tray for this hack. Start by flipping the tray over and applying hot glue to each corner. Next, glue the tops of 4 toy cars to the tray. Make sure the car wheels are lined up too. Once the glue sets, you've got a tray on the move and your friends will have no excuse not to pass the cookies now. Speaking of cookies, here's how to repurpose dinosaurs to make fossil cookies. Take some model dinosaurs and some prepared sugar cookie dough. Roll it out with a rolling pin, or in a pinch you can use a glass bottle like we did. Bonus hack, you can even use a drinking glass as a circular cookie cutter. Next, stamp your dinosaur's feet into the dough to make cute dino tracks. You don't even need to be a paleontologist to love these sweets. Key holder. Here's a great way to keep track of your keys, especially if they all look the same. Take some old Legos and put a key ring through the holes. Now you've got a super easy way to tell them apart, but wait, there's more. Attach a larger piece of Lego to your wall and snap on your Lego key rings so you have a convenient and quirky way to keep track of your keys. Dinosaur photo holder. Here's another way to recycle your model dinosaurs. Grab your dinosaurs, a spring, and a small clothespin. First, attach the spring to the clothespin with some hot glue. Once that sets, make a base of hot glue on the back of the dinosaur and attach the spring in the clothespin. Now spray it with some golden paint to make it shine. Clip a photo onto the clothespin and you've got a funky photo holder for your desk. Domino coasters. Don't let your cold drinks ruin your tables. Use our hack instead. Recycle your dominoes into a swanky coaster. First, take a cardboard coaster from a bar or a restaurant and squeeze on a layer of hot glue. Next, glue your dominoes on the coaster with the dot sides facing up. Arrange them in straight rows almost the size of the coaster, and once the glue sets, you're ready to sip your cold drinks in style. These coasters are almost too cool to be crafted. Needle truck. Here's a way to turn an old toy dump truck into a fun pincushion. First, take a soft kitchen sponge and grab some scrap fabric. Trim the fabric so it's slightly larger than the sponge and start to wrap the sponge in the fabric. If you've ever wrapped a present before, it's just like that, except you're using hot glue to attach the folds of fabric. Once the sponge is covered, you can grab your pins, set your sponge in the back of the truck, and marvel at your rugged new pincushion. Frog jar. Here's a sneaky way to hide your sweets with a stuffed animal. Take your stuffed frog and use fabric scissors to trim off its head. Sorry frog, this craft might not be for the faint of heart. Next, remove enough stuffing to place a jar in the body of the frog. Hot glue the opening in the stuffed animal to the sides of the jar. Then glue the head of the frog on the lid of your jar. Now you can make your candy stash a secret only you and your frog know about. Open him up anytime you get a sweet tooth. Phone holder. Here's a way to watch Crafty Hackers videos on your phone, hands-free. All you need is an old rubber duck and a suction cup. Take a suction cup and glue it to the beak of your duck. Once the glue sets, the suction cup will seal onto the back of your phone so you can like our videos or scroll through memes, all with ease. Toothbrush holder. Bring back the Legos! For this hack, we're building them into a colorful toothbrush holder that'll bring you back to your childhood. Put two 4x8 rectangular Legos next to each other to make a base. Next, attach them with two 1x4 pieces. Then mirror the opposite sides with two more 1x4 pieces. Bring the sides together by attaching more 1x4 pieces from corner to corner and repeat, building up the sides. Keep on building until it gets to a height that you like. Then top it off with four flat-topped 1x4 pieces, and you've got a colorful and sturdy holder for your toothbrushes. Dino decor. I hope you didn't think we were all done with dinosaur hacks for this video. Here's a way to recycle your dinosaur toys into some modern pop art wall decor. First, measure your dinosaurs against some old gift box lids. Next, use spray paint to turn your gift box lids into solid covered canvases. Use contrasting colors to paint your dinosaurs too. Once everything is dried, use hot glue to attach your dinosaurs to the lids. Attach these to your walls for a way to say, I have taste, but I'm never really growing up. We hope you like these hacks for recycling kids' toys. Tell us about your favorites in the comments below. Click the button in the middle to subscribe, or click the one in the upper right for even more crafty hacks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.